Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to a hot January in Auckland City. The tourist may experience this environment when taking a stroll through Queen Street, Commercial Bay, Quay Street and Britomart on any given Saturday, such as seeing the market on Takutai Square, Britomart. Auckland City provides a great range of activities to experience and enjoy. Everything happens here. If you have been to Auckland before, then feel free to list all the things you like about the city in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to receive more content on and around Auckland City. You gotta keep on keeping on, and I'll see you in the next one.